Git and Docker, and then Jenkins. Great. Jenkins is continuous integration server. It acts as an octopus. So it sits on the top. It watches your Git. When you push something, it will take it. It does the testing, and everything is fine. It pushes to the production or maybe staging server, and etc. etc. So basically, it's a glue between many things. So your pipeline from the development or commit to your production is overseen by Jenkins. It's called as continuous integration server. I'll write it down, CI, continuous integration server. Okay, and Git is basically CI concept can be explained in Git. It's a repository. Repo. And Docker is the next level of virtualization. It's called as Dockerization or containerization, more precisely. Containerization. Okay. And we'll explain the concept of containerization. Also, we will spin off the containers. We will install software over there. The idea is, it's not just a software we are shipping. We are shipping the software along with the operating system, not full operating system, a piece of it, and the dependencies as one image. So from the development till the production, this image moves, the container moves. There is absolutely no question of dependency issues or missing libraries or anything like that. Version issues, nothing can happen. That's the beauty of Dockerization. So most of the new infrastructures being spinned off using Docker as a building block. Then we look at Puppet and Ansible, one from this and one from that. Puppet works with both our configuration management tools. All right, we'll talk in detail about what is configuration management, how is the world before configuration management, and how the configuration management made our life easy in terms of keeping the infrastructure at the same configurations. Maybe 100 servers or 200 servers or development servers, everything can be kept at the same level. We can roll back the configuration to and fro. In fact, the concept of infrastructure as coding, infrastructure code, ISE, is achieved using configuration management tool. Puppet belongs to one category, which is more like a pull, where individual slave or agent nodes pull the configuration from Puppet. Ansible is otherwise around. It is a push configuration. So we'll discuss both Puppet and Ansible. After that, we will move on to what's pending now. Nagios. Nagios is infrastructure monitoring. So it looks into several things, including your computers, your server up status, and load, number of processes. You can monitor everything. Infrastructure monitoring. All right, and of course, before all,
isn't Chef? What is that Chef? Chef is also configuration management tool, right?
Chef and Puppet comes in the same bracket. Puppet has a little better market share. Both Chef and Puppet does the pull configuration. So Puppet is popular in the pull configuration. Ansible is popular in the push configuration. So we deal both Puppet and Ansible. Chef is easy. So once you know Puppet, Chef is very similar. A little bit of different commands. That's all.
So what about Kubernetes? So that is also like
Kubernetes actually comes along with your Docker. I forgot the name. Is that correct?
Kubernetes. Okay, in ETS. Okay.
Yes, right. Okay. Yeah, it's actually orchestration for Docker. We don't deal with that because it's more. I can cover it a bit, but not in detail. That's basically orchestration of Docker containerization. Okay, but we actually look into Docker Cloud, which is also very similar, and it has an absolute beautiful UI. You can do most of the things you can do over there using Docker Cloud. Okay, and AWS is actually the base servers we use for all purpose installing. So this is your syllabus, and Mostly, each of these topics will take about 2 days. That's how it's planned. And sometimes it takes 3 days as well. Especially this might take 3 days. And Docker, it's okay. And yours will actually take a day. That should be fine. I'll keep it 2. So it's about 11, 12 days of training. But usually after that, we have an end-to-end demo, which shows integrating all the tools, not all the tools, integrating these tools to deliver end-to-end DevOps, continuous deployment, continuous delivery actually. So we will see the end-to-end integration where you push a code. We'll use a Java application for that, and automatically tests are done. And if everything is fine, these changes we push appears into the production. So we will do this end-to-end use case, and that actually takes 2 days time, 1 day or 2 days. If we can stretch a couple of hours, 1 hour extra, so we can complete in 1 day. So this is your entire session. Of course, introduction is 2 days. Okay.